Welcome back to the Hatham Homestead. Guess what I got? More pain and heartache. I own a pool. My fittings broke for my Polaris 280. See it down there? It's cracked. So we got to take it out and replace it. And a lot of you are wondering, this is not how I lost my thumb. It's not that difficult of a thing to do. Pull up your sleeves, grab a big pair of pliers. Get down in there. It's hard to do with one hand, of course. Broke loose. Let's see if it'll come out. Nope. I'm probably gonna drop these. That'd be funny. All right, I need two hands. I'll be back. All right, so because it was cracked, every time I try to take a piece off, another piece will break off. You can see it down there in the bottom of the pool. So I'm gonna take this hacksaw blade and I'm gonna cut down to where the threads are and then hopefully snap it off. You might have to do it on both sides. Once I get it out, I'll show you what I did. It's time consuming. All right, so I couldn't get it out because the stuff kept breaking off. So what I did was I took this hacksaw blade in the water there and I cut two slits in the side to give me the ability to put this putty knife in there. I guess there was already stuff on the sides there, but I didn't see those because I didn't have a mirror. But then again, the blue disc was in the way of it anyways. So I cut those two slots. I was able to put my putty knife through it and then use the pliers to untwist the fitting. Now I'll get a net obviously and get the rest of those things out. Now, there's two discs that come with this piece. There's a blue one and a red one, and they just either restrict the flow or sometimes you don't need any restriction at all. Now this piece goes inside and puts up against here like so and clips in, and it restricts the flow or increases the flow so your Polaris isn't overpowered or underpowered. I have drilled mine out because it needed a little bit more, but it didn't need that much. That's a lot of pressure. So I'm going to go and try and find my fitting, drill out my new disc, and we'll put it back together. So this is the new fitting we're going to put in. Obviously it only has the two cuts, not the extras. And these are the blue and the red discs that come with it. You can see by looking at it there is a size difference, but if you stick them together, it's incredibly small. You can barely see that red sticking out. So I'm going to drill out my blue one to match the old blue one I had because I needed a little more pressure, and that's quite a bit. Just going to use a step drill. Should be pretty quick and easy. And then when you put this back in, just put it in by hand. You don't need to put a wrench on it and just, reef it on there. Just tighten it up and, give it a good, put your quick release adapter on it for your Polaris and give it a good twist. That way it won't come out of the wall when the Polaris is running. All right, and that's the size we're looking for right there. I'm going to go one size smaller than I used to have it. And you can tell that by doing that. One size smaller. So I want to make sure we didn't damage the lip on this at all, which we did not, because it has to clip inside this. So this is going to pop inside there. And then we just thread it into the fitting. When I say quick release, this right here goes inside the fitting and goes around that. So when you put it in there, the two knurls there, or nipples, they go down and then lock in. So if this isn't tight enough in the wall, as the Polaris goes around the pool, it will spin it out from the wall, and then you'll come out in more heartache and your Polaris will be disconnected from the wall. So we're going to thread this in, then we're going to connect the Polaris to it and give it a good, just a half turn more, just to make sure it's nice and tight. Worked fine for so many years. So I'm actually going to go more than a half turn. I'm going to go about there. That was about a turn. And I want the relief valve for the Polaris to stick up so I can see if it's venting all the time, or because if it's venting all the time, there's too much pressure, and then you need to reduce the size of those holes. And we can use the red one for that if we have to. And that's how you change the Polaris wall fitting. Enjoy your heartache pool. Have fun out.